I fell off the stairs and I wasn't filming. Now they're under my armpit.
What's up, guys? Kevin and April here, aka Explorations, bringing you another crazy adventure. We got Isaac with us again today, guys. We found this abandoned chicken farm in the middle of legit nowhere.
It's big.
Like, there ain't even grass out here. Well, I mean, there's grass out here, but there ain't nothing out here. There ain't nothing out here. There ain't no cows out here. The cows don't even want to be here. No cows. This is super awesome. Sun's going down. It's gonna get dark soon and creepy. But we're gonna do this anyways. You guys come along. Check it out.
So listen, for real, this place has, I don't even know how many yet, but a lot of chicken houses, 2 floors. I'll show you the length in a minute. It has like 6 or 7 houses on the property and some other buildings. Look at, it's so terrifying to me. What the literal heck? Look at that.
You wanna light that up?
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh God. Man, there's no way we're walking in.
He's like, nope. This guys. Alright. Look at that. I hear them walking above me. It's creepy. It's a concrete structure right here on the ground. They wanted me to walk up these though. They're crazy.
Hey,
What?
it's good. Toss me that. Is it live?
It's on. I'm not tossing it.
Toss it while it's freaking.
What if it? Okay, you better catch this shit.
You gonna toss it while it's recording?
Okay, guys, I'm tossing this to him. He told me to do it. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
There we go. And we made it, guys. Welcome. Guys, just check this out. These are the machines that I have no idea what they freaking do. They got baskets and spikes and rubber materials and belts and chains, and so they either feed them. Or this actually goes through and collects the eggs. I'm not quite sure. If any of you guys know, comment down below, please, and let us know. Dum dum dum. Is good 10-foot drop. So we're gonna get off this riggedy tiggity. We'll see you on the ground. I just wanted to get this right there. There's like the line of the chickens. I'm swat stomping.
There's a drop off there. So we're gonna walk down here because I see like a middle section. I want to see what's in the middle section. Sounds like there's still some birds in there. Do you guys hear that? Or is it just the roof?
Yeah, I think it sounds like the building was sliding. Pigeons or doves? There's birds in here. Pigeons or doves. I heard them when I was going up the stairs a couple times.
Can you imagine working here? There's like 15 houses, it looks like. That's what I counted. This long, each one of them, 2-story with that many chickens in it. Can you just imagine working here? That's crazy to me. It's so creepy. Almost to the end of these. We'll see if these stairs are able to go up. Didn't look it from here.
Like Crocodile Dundee right there.
Yeah, we have about another, 40 minutes, maybe 30 of daylight. Let's go walk some more chickens and then move to the houses, guys. Look at all the moss over here. What? It's so pretty. Alright, so we're coming to this one warehouse here. Jesus Christ, Kevin.
Man, pigeons.
Look at them. Calm down, guys.
It's okay, pigeons.
How good they smell. Oh wow, look in here. What is it? It's parts. What are these things? Chicken holders? Chicken egg holders?
Sea snails. Birds.
Huh. That's a cool blow-up ball. Whoa, it's super dark in here.
Daylight's coming.
Oh my god, here he comes to light me up. Never lets me have darkness. Well, it smells so like cool, rubbery in here, like gaskets and... Oh, that's why.
Cool.
So I was smelling it. Alright, so this is like a little storage room. I got spider webs on my stuff. Wow. Alright, we're gonna head out of this one. We didn't go up there, but it's probably just parts, it looks like. Let's let these pigeons come back home. There's something different back here. We're going to go look, or I'm going to go look. Maybe I see one of those concrete structures. This is really creepy back here. Okay. What the fuck is in there? Holy creepiness, guys. Ew, and it smells really bad in here. Why is there another ball, guys? Tell me if you know that's a ball for chickens or not. That is so weird. Please tell me you know the answer to that. Top stuff I don't know if I'm gonna step on. What in the hell? I don't know if this is safe, guys. Oh my god. This is crazy. There's another room back here. Okay, it's just a closet. This was obviously an office for like a boss. Because it has like people's, something like a chart for people in here. Break room. What? It still has shirts hanging up, guys. Are you kidding me right now? Look at this. Like, seriously. It's inside the lockers. Bird's nest. I'm so glad I came up here. But I'm going to go ahead and walk back out. Oh shit, what is this room? What is this? Hold on. The guys are over there waiting on me. What's this? Oh my god. What? Oh, this is one of the things Kevin went in. Look at that. Wow. And then below is the other half of the chickens. Alright guys, we're going to try to go in this warehouse right here. Kevin said this door is not open. How pretty the sky is. Alright, found a door that's open, guys. Here. Wait. Yeah. What in the world? So this is just people's offices.
Oh wow, look at this.
Well, entry right into the building.
Whoa, what is this stuff?
What the heck?
It's a robotic arm for something.
What?
Look.
Well, come look at those. Look how big this thing is. Holy moly.
Single table in the middle.
Guys, cannot explain to you how dark it is in here, but there's a room over here I want to go to. I see my shadow. It just scared the crap out of me. This is where the 3 doors are. Fucking shadow got me again. There's egg crates over there. That's cool. I'm gonna go look at these machines. I'll meet you out there. Why is there a table just in the center by itself? Weird. Look at these machines.
You got fucking plexiglasses, you know, that's... Look at that.
It's a robotic arm. This is really freaking cool. Oh, there's more warehouse over there. There's steps.
Robotic.
Look, it's the washing system, I think. Yeah, I think that's like would push them through there because there's like bristles.
Yep, this would brush them off. That would, those arms would pack them.
That's so freaking cool. And then there's like building more rooms over there. And back here, there's stairs, guys. This is insane. Sorry, I'm super excited. Is there a light on over there?
I think that might be the same.
Oh, look how cool. Thought it was a light over here. Look how pretty the sun is now.
And then more machines.
The machine. Oh, look at this. What would they be used for?
Conveyor belt to be to carry the eggs.
Maybe this is what, yeah, put them onto trucks and pallets or something.
Yeah.
This is really cool. This must be another Sorting cleaning machine. Wonder why they went out of business. Alright, so we're coming out here. Let's go over here. There's steps. Ooh, what's in there? It's green.
Sparkle, today's chlorinated sanitizer.
This shit was green when you walked up to it. It's the GMP zone, whatever the GMP zone is. Guys, seriously, what is this? Shine your light straight down, Kevin. I don't even know. I want to walk down there. Do you guys think it's safe?
It's like concrete.
No. Do you want to try it? I'm serious. Doesn't that look cool down there? What do you guys think? You think Kevin should do it? If I die, tell everybody I love them and find the camera. Don't leave me though. Oh my god. Yeah. That thing really goes down. No, not doing it, guys. Sorry. But it's cool. It is so pretty out here. This is the outside of this big warehouse we were just in. You can see there's... that was the big side over there. And then this was like all the offices. Or maybe this was the big side. One of these was the big refrigerated side. Oh, we found something here.
Or 2 carcasses or something. I don't know what the heck that is. Oh, wow.
There's a worm in it.
You know what it is?
What?
Chupacabra.
It's a chupacabra. We're going to the houses. Alright, so we are pulling away from all the big houses. Going through the gates of the particular school. Oh, what is that? So, we're going to go look into the houses now. Alright guys, this is going into a ditch. Thank God we have boots on.
And flashlights.
And flashlights. Oh my God, walk. Oh my God. Holy crap, this is deep. Alright. Anybody home?
Oh.
What?
Yeah, exactly.
It's alright guys, who cares? Come on.
Oh, hey, it's open.
Look. Wow, there's still stuff everywhere. What the hell? Guys. Wow. Look at that. It's a cute little house, I guess.
Yeah.
A nice sized kitchen. Nice size. Ooh. Look. It's got a fireplace.
My dad.
Oh wow. Wow.
It's like a 2-bedroom room right here. It's the master.
Oh wow, yeah, it is.
Holy crap. There's a lot of space in this place.
Holy moly.
Nice sized bathroom. Alright, well this is the first house we stopped at. You can pretty much see everything. It's not much in here. Pretty empty. It's a pretty nice little setup though. It was probably cute. We're gonna go over to the next one, which is right past these bushes right here.
That's the treasure right there. Hello? Taking pictures.
Somebody's in here in this property. I don't know how they'd be here. Guys, electricity's on in this house. Electricity is on in this house. The stove is blinking. The socket is lit up.
Oh shit.
Oh, all these guys.
Oh my god. Look at this. The whole door is covered by a bush. You can really get out if you wanted to. What's over here?
That's a pretty decent sized bathroom.
Alright, this is house number 2. Pretty nice. Weird the electricity's on, but pretty nice. Alright, let's go ahead and go to the next. You guys see the back door? Guys, I fell into the GD dingy ding ding dong sticky things. I fell off the stairs and I wasn't filming. Now they're under my armpit. Literally. The freakazoid.
Yeah, it is.
Isaac, it's not funny.
Well, I tried helping, but you were just like slow motion. I was trying to figure out what you were doing.
I was trying not to die. Almost fell first. Head first. You know. Oh, there's another one. Shit.
You said we're going to the other one.
Sorry, I got it in my armpit. I'm trying to pick them out of my armpit. This is funny. Okay, we're gonna go to that one here when I get done picking these out of my armpit. All right, this one was way difficult to get to, guys.
Yeah, fuck it.
We're gonna say fuck it and not go in it because there's so many of these hitchhikers. This is all hitchhikers. Look, all of those, all of this.
I got them fucking beard.
I have them in my hair. They're like everywhere. So we're gonna make it back to the road
These
and
ones,
drive to another one. See if there's another one. All right, guys. So I am riding in the back of the truck. Hopefully I don't. I haven't done this in a long time. This is fun. Should be another house coming up here in just a second. I would think about, I think there's 2 or 3 left actually. This is so much fun. I haven't been in the back of the truck in a long time. I see houses. Alright, there's the house. Why is that creepy? Look. There's another house over there. We're gonna go in this way. Woo! Big hole. That sounds a little crunchy. Is that wood floor?
The wood floor.
Guys, that used to be like some type of wood floor.
Hey. Weird. Holy moly, look at the size of that spider in there.
Oh my gosh.
Let me see. Holy cow, he's big.
Look at the little glass. Stained glass effect.
That wasn't a tunnel spider? Oh, yeah. Huh. Oh, fancy wall.
It's hot in here.
Yeah. Good money in here. Okay.
I'm gonna show you the spider. I don't know if you can tell how big he is, but he's pretty damn big. Alright. Let's go back out here. On to the next, guys. By crunchy floor. I don't know if you can see the moon right now. It's absolutely gorgeous. Alright, these guys took off. I'm trying to catch them to the next house. Alright. There was a shed we just walked by, didn't even notice it. It's very eerie right now to me. I don't know why. Oh my, shouldn't have waited. It's so tall. Oh my gosh. I think I went out by water, I would not be doing this because the gators. Yeah, there's another house over there. Wow. Wow. What the heck was that? Must have been a bug.
Dang, big old gecko.
Holy crap, look at all the mud dogs.
Hello?
Look at this, guys.
Crazy.
This is an office or a master bedroom. It's a bird's nest. And it's like dining room area, fancy smancy little circle area, big ass kitchen. God dang. Looks like they were kind of trying to work on these. I don't know.
No, he's right there. There's one right there on the outside. There's one inside there, and then look, right over there too, this one. Spiders are taking over the mud dauber nests, either killing the mud daubers or just taking over their
They
nests.
probably just have full food in here. This is awesome. They're just like, let me come in here with these mud bows. All right, one more, guys. I think that's the last one over there.
Yep.
All right, we'll be right back. Going to this one now. So this should be the last one, but this one got a big structure behind it. Oh, I'm gonna trip trying to look. Anyway, there's a big structure behind it. We just left that one. There's a couple back in the distance.
What?
Don't step at the bottom for sure. All right, last house.
Yeah.
This one. Smells like poop. Why does this one smell so weird? Oh my god, there's a whole nother room back here. It's like a double room. Look at this. Scare them, guys. Shh. I think they're coming. It's like a secret room back here.
Okay.
Boom. Look at this though. It's a whole secret like bedroom and bathroom back here. For real. I waited for that, guys. It wasn't as good as I thought it was gonna be. I thought you were. All right, guys. I think we're at the last house, right?
Yep, that's it. I think that's the last one.
We're gonna go.
All right, guys. Yeah, we're gonna take off. We're gonna call it for the evening. So, smash that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Beautiful weather. Interesting, creepy chicken farm with all the houses and trimmings. It's almost like Thanksgiving dinner all over again, but with chicken. So, anyways, guys, we love you. We'll see you next time. And as always, caw-caw.
It was awesome for the owners to let us come and check this place out. For sure. It is pitch black out there. Look. Alright? Crazy. Anyway, see you guys later. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Road trips are fun.